Whatever the weather, Continental's Extreme Contact DWS 06 is a true all-season performance tire featuring Sport Plus technology. Continental takes the guesswork out of tire wear evaluation. Visual indicators show when your tire is ready to perform in dry, wet, and snowy conditions. It even shows your alignment, or when it's time for a new set. An asymmetrical tread design with an advanced tread compound reduces hydroplaning and increases wet grip. Traction grooves with X-Sight technology improve braking, cornering, and acceleration on snow and ice. Backed by Continental's Total Confidence Plan that includes 3 years roadside assistance, 12-month road hazard coverage, and a 60-day consumer satisfaction trial, the powerful new Extreme Contact DWS 06 is perfect for spirited driving, whether you're in a spring rainstorm or a summer road trip with the top down.